Mr. McMoney, I've been looking all day for you.
Why? What's wrong? Hey, why are you sad?
You see, I have a problem. I'm just so broke and I don't have any money.
Well, I am here to help you, okay? Did you know that you can make money online?
Wow, how can I do it? Please help me.
Do you have a phone? A tablet or a laptop maybe? How about an internet connection?
Yes, Mr. McMoney, I have an internet connection, but I only have a phone.
Not to worry. You can do this method even if you only have a phone, okay? Also, wherever you live, you can do this anywhere and everywhere.
That is so great! I can't wait for you to teach me that method. But wait, is it hard? Do I need to study some techniques for me to understand that method?
No! You do not need to be a tech savvy to do this method, okay? Also, this is a very user-friendly website and I already did the hardest thing for you.
But how can I earn money online? How can I make sure that this is legit? Please help me, Mr. McMoney.
Well, this website is very legit and you can actually make money out of it. Also, not a lot of people know about this method, okay? So just shh. This method is especially for you, okay? I want you to not skip any method that I will tell you. I need you to listen carefully because I want you to make money and actually help you. And I know you're excited, so how about we roll the intro?
Let's roll the intro!
But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. McMoney, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content like this. Go ahead and like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Now let's go back to the video. Okay, I'm not gonna make this any longer because I want to teach the method right now. I am so excited for you to earn money and go out there and enjoy your easily earned money. So the very first thing that you will do is log into your Gmail account. I know you probably have that already, but if you don't, just go ahead and create a brand new account. Now, the second thing that you need to do is to come over to the website that will be paying us today. As you can see in this website, we will be doing social media management. And don't worry, you do not need a social media following for this method. You do not need to be famous or have so many followers in social media. And this website is used by a ton of people who don't have a lot of time on their hands to handle those social media accounts. This website can help you no matter what type of social media you have. And this website can handle those accounts for you. This website can also help you discover and schedule your content. Now, the way that we will be using it is entirely different. What you can do is read more about this website, okay? Because I'm not going to be going over all of these features about this website anymore. And besides, we will not be handling social media to create some money. And that is why it is totally up to you if you will use this website. Just go ahead and explore those features. What you want to do is scroll down to the very bottom of this page and you will see this button right here that says affiliates or referral. So yes, we will be promoting this website as an affiliate. But believe it or not, we won't be using a single social media platform to accomplish that. This is a very unique strategy and not so many people know about this one. That is why I am sharing this method to you guys, okay? So you can earn more and maximize this strategy. Because not a lot of people know this and this is a fresh and new method for you. Okay, so check this out. By promoting this site as an affiliate, you will be able to earn up to $420 per single customer. Obviously, this doesn't happen often, but the fact that it can happen is mind-blowing. That kind of earnings in a day is so huge. Imagine if you were earning that kind of money in a single day. You are earning like you were a businessman already. Below that, you can see that you will earn 35% of all payments that they make in their first year. That is a pretty substantial amount already. 35% commissions is not that at all. Here you can see that you will earn in cash, okay? So no points and no any type of earnings that you will receive. Just cash. Just cold hard cash. So you do not have to convert any points into money or whatsoever, okay? It's simple. It's free to join their affiliate program. So like I've told you, you do not need to invest any money and you do not need to think about where you will get some money. You can get started with making money with this site even if you don't have a single dollar in your bank account or you are not holding a single dollar in your hand right now. You can still do this method. They have quick payouts, wow, so you do not need to have a very long time to enjoy that cash that you just earned. Also, they have unlimited earnings, so you can earn as much as you want. You can work all day, you can earn how many dollars you want, and that is absolutely free. Also, this is the last feature that you will have. You have easy tracking and reports, so that basically means you will have detailed information on how much money you've just made. This is actually a good feature of this website. It's really great because if you don't remember your earnings or you don't remember how many people have clicked your affiliate link, you can have these tracking and reports to guide you. As you scroll down below, you can see how this actually works. First step is sign up and you can get your referral link. Every people signing up on this program has a unique tracking link. That's why those people that are in this program too will not steal your clients because you have a different link on your own. So no need to worry about that, okay? Okay, so the next step is to share and promote that link that this website gave you. You can share it through different social media, through different blogs. You can share it on your own website and you can send it via email and you can share it in any way that you want it. I suggest that you share it into your own accounts because in that way, people will know that you are a legit person that is sharing this link and not just some bot so that people will not be scared to click your link and actually sign up into your affiliate link. And this website is called crowdfireapp.com. So this is how it actually works, okay? So you can sign up and get your referral or affiliate link, and the way that it works is basically when someone clicks on that link, it refers them to crowdfireapp.com. But if that same person who accessed this site through your link, it decides to go straight into the website, you automatically will get a cut from the money they've invested into it. Now, promoting your link is how you'll get more people to click on it. Obviously, the more you promote, the more people click on it and the more money you will make. And by the way, where you share your link doesn't matter. So you have permission to share it anywhere, wherever you want, for as long as it gets clicks. Of course, when some people sign up to this website, you get a cut from their payment. I think you already understand how this works, how this feature of this website works. Okay, so now we will move on to the next process in this method. Now, the next thing I want to show you real quick is something I know you will be interested in. That is exactly how much money you will be making. You can check that out by clicking on pricing right here, which will bring you to this page. As you can see, Crowdfire has 4 different pricing options. One is free, with the other 3 paid once per month. It has annual and monthly payment options, with annual ones offering a slight discount since the customer signed up for a yearly instead of a monthly payment. Does that make sense? Now, I will be showing you later on which people you will target and how to reach those people that we know will have a bigger budget. Which in turn means that they will have more money to spend and will be far more willing to pay the VIP annual plan. So if those people will subscribe to the VIP account, you will earn up to $300 a year for a single customer, and you can see now that this has a huge potential. 10 customers signing up, which means $3,000. 100 means $3,000. And I will show you a way to reach literally thousands of people, so you will be able to earn a lot of money. So stick with me until the very end, okay, to actually maximize your earnings and count that money in your hand. What you want to do is come back over to this page and click on join now right here and create your account. You can sign up via Google if you want to. Okay, I'm gonna look now into my own account so I can show you exactly how everything will look. Okay, so this is exactly what you will see when you log into your brand new account. This is going to be your dashboard. Here you will be able to track your earnings. More importantly though, here you will be able to find your affiliate link. Now you will now want to copy it and come over to the next platform, and this platform is called bitly.com. Now some of you know this website, I know. This will shorten any link you want. By the way, this is just an optional stuff for you guys, but in my opinion, you should be doing this, definitely. The reason is, our link becomes more tempting for people to click on affiliate links that are generally quite long, and shortening them will look far more appealing, of course. So what you want to do is paste your link right here, click on shorten it, and it will literally shorten it for you. Let's now get to the part of how you will get people to click on your link. Email. Okay, email is precisely what we will be using, and what you need to do is click on compose right here. I did the hardest part of the work for you guys, okay? You will not think of a script or a template of an email on how you will contact those persons professionally. You guys can thank me later, okay? Well, here it is. I typed the actual email that you will be sending. So all you gotta do is copy and paste and input your affiliate link in this message. Once you've done all that, we need to find people to send this to you. What you'll need to do is come over to Google and search for a list of social media marketing companies. Again, that's social media marketing companies, okay? You will easily be able to find thousands and thousands of these. You just need a few of them to sign up via your affiliate link. Okay, so for you to make a very decent profit and passive income now as far as which page you want to open, I recommend this one right here, and check this out. There are over 35,000 plus firms on this website, and that is a lot of potential, okay? A lot of potential. These are the perfect customers for Crowdfire because it will save them a lot of time, and it's not going to cost them a lot of money. Remember, we're talking about companies here, okay? Companies. So we know that they have a big budget unlike individual people. So in any case you now want to get their email address, to do that, just click on visit website. Find their contact or email address, which is generally located at either the top or the bottom. All you have to do is copy it. Come back over here, paste, and send this message to them, and I'll repeat the process over and over with all of these different companies. Just 100 customers signing up can mean $30,000 a year. Wow! So you just have to refer them to this website and you will make money in recurring commissions over and over again. So that is how you can make money online using affiliate links.
That method is so great, Mr. McMoney. I'm actually trying it now. And I am so excited to make money.
That method is especially for you. So I want you to try it on your own and make sure to have some money and actually enjoy it. You can go shopping, you can go buy your own food, and you can also save it. So who knows, maybe in a year, you're already rich and already have a business of your own, right?
I'm really happy, Mr. McMoney. You actually helped me. At first, I thought it was a scam. That's why I was really hesitant and I was scared to try this method. But you actually saved my life.
Nothing is impossible. Making money online is absolutely possible. That's why you should go home now and use your phone to actually make money, okay?
Thank you, Mr. McMoney. I hope I will see you again.
And that is it for today's video. If you learned something or liked the video, it would be great if you smash down below the subscribe button and make sure to click the notification bell. If you have any suggestions, comments, or questions, just leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.